I've been working and installing Amtico for just over 34 years now.
We've been an Amtico One retailer about 5 years now.
We handpick our retailers and only work with people who truly understand the craft that goes into our products. It means the customer can expect the best level of service and expertise to help them design their dream floor.
And we really enjoy it when we can see them getting excited about their project and how it's going to look in the future. The thing is, paint, wallpaper, even furniture can change, but flooring's a long-term investment.
For me, selling Amtico is very easy. Not only do you get the benefits of the lifetime manufacturer's warranty, but the actual look and the design of the products sells itself.
With an Amtico retailer, you're in safe hands because they're an extension of our business. Our retailers are passionate about our products and can offer specialist advice on everything from inspirational designs to the aftercare of the chosen floor.
We enjoy giving the Amtico experience to the customer. We listen to what the customer wants, and then they'll get a lot of help with the design service, and they buy with confidence that they've bought the right floor. It's a very good feeling, and you're very proud that you've done that for them.
The Endorsed Fitter Scheme is an intense 2-day course held at our training academy in Coventry. Simply put, we require quality installers to match the quality of our designs.
Knowing their floor will be installed by an Amtico endorsed installer gives the customer a lot more confidence.
Our retailers are invaluable to us. We rely on them to be ambassadors for our brand.
I'm really proud to be as closely associated with Amtico as we are.
Knowing you're giving the customer the very best makes your job very simple. British made, incredible quality, and you know an Amtico floor is just built to last.